As an investor, what do you want in a project? A great location, strong walk-in transit score, a reputable builder, fabulous project, and you want to book it in the first phase to pay the lowest price and enjoy the highest incentives? Well, this project gives you all. Hi, this is Mamta Sahota. I'm your realtor and I'm an investor as well. I only bring you those investment projects where I will invest with confidence. Right now, I'm at the side of this fabulous investment opportunity. This is the high demand area of Square One, Mississauga. On my left side, we have Hurontario and Eglington intersection. Just imagine you get down from your building and LRT is right there. Yes, LRT is already approved and it will be connecting you from one corner of Brampton to the other end of Port Credit, Mississauga. You can take that LRT, get to GO train and get to Union Station, Toronto. Yes, if you decide to drive, then 3 highways are just within 5 minutes of reach. Highway 401, 403, 410, just within 5 minutes. If you decide to walk within 2 minutes, you can get to grocery store, or you can do banking, or you can dine in at your favorite restaurant. Your tenants love to live in Mississauga Square One area. There are hundreds of parks around. Square One Shopping Center is only 5 minutes away. Central Library, Living Arts Center, Sheridan College, everything within 5 minute reach. That is why rentals and appreciation is very high in this area. Now let's talk about this mind-blowing investment opportunity. I'm introducing you Canopy Tower by Liberty Developments. Liberty Development has a strong reputation of building in last 30 years in GTA, and I'm so proud to be a platinum agent introducing you to the very first building in this project. This building will have 34 stories and a total of 497 units. A wide selection of units ranging from 1 bedroom to 3 bedroom. You will love to see the amenities: 24-hour concierge service, swimming pool, outdoor patio, exercise, yoga room, party room, everything gonna be there. Have you ever thought you might move in here in your later years? You will enjoy all the amenities over here, and you will also go shopping at the Square One, or you can enjoy your days and evenings at the Lakeshore, Mississauga. My clients are even buying it for their kids. Your suite will have Quartz countertops, smart door, and all appliances are included. Let's see what you are getting in the Platinum Access. Price is starting from mid-400s. Free assignment clause, right to lease during occupancy, capped development charges, and extended deposit structure. Occupancy is scheduled in July 2024. So these 4 years will give you ample time to grow your investment. Guaranteed units are in hand. So you don't need to wait and put up the worksheet. I can immediately assign you your unit at the lowest price. But units are going fast. I have already started assigning units to our clients. I want you to be in that list as well. So just give me a call right away, or you can drop me an email.